Astrology Session 4. In this session, we will cover 8 major headings. They are listed below. Number 1. Elements assigned to planets. Number 2. Three dosa ruled by planets. Number 3. Movable and fixed planets. Number 4. Numbers ruled by planets. Number 5. Days ruled by planets. Number 6. Colors represented by planets. Number 7. Stone or gems and metal dhatu ruled by planets. And number 8. Test ruled by planets. Number 1. Elements ruled by planets. Sun represents fire elements. Moon represents water elements. Mars represents fire elements. Mercury ruled earth elements. Jupiter ruled sky or ether. Venus ruled water. Saturn ruled air elements, and no elements is assigned to Rahu and Ketu. Hindu religion is based on the fact that all matters, including human beings, are composed of 5 basic elements. These are earth, water, fire, air, sky or ether. Sun and Mars possesses fire qualities like commanding, valor, explosive, aggressive, ambitious, authoritative, leadership, strength and power, dominating, sharp, hot, courageous and revengeful. Moon and Venus are natural benefic planets. They both have feminine qualities like softness, nurturing, cool, flexibility, loving, fickle, creative, imaginative, transparent, caring and emotional. Their qualities are reflected by the water elements. Mercury is earthy elements. These elements implies solid, stable, fixed and practical. Saturn is known as airy element. If we analyze from astronomical viewpoints, then this seems to be very logical too. Saturn occupies almost 60% of the Jupiter's volume but has only about one-third of its mass. Hypothetically, Saturn will float in an ocean large enough to hold it. Saturn is a gaseous giant planet. In astrological viewpoints, Saturn exhibits the airy qualities, that is moving, wandering, creative and dynamic. Jupiter rules sky or ether. Ether fills the void between any two elements. It helps all elements to work and perform their functions. Without ether, other elements cannot exist. Jupiter is the significator of knowledge and wisdom. The boundary and limitation of wisdom is infinite like sky. Number 2. Dosa ruled by planets. Sun ruled Pitta, Moon ruled Kapha, Mars ruled Pitta, Mercury ruled mixed, that is Pitta, Kapha and Vata, Jupiter ruled Kapha, Venus ruled Vata and Kapha, Saturn ruled Vata, Rahu and Ketu do not rule any dosa. Concept of three dosa. Concept of three dos is unique in Ayurveda. It is a combination of basic elements. The structural part of body is made of 5 elements, but the functional aspect is governed by 3 dosa. These are always present in the body. Number 1. Bath. The element of bath are air and ether. It regulates movement and the nerve system. It controls all elimination of waste products. Number 2. Pitta. The elements of Pitta are fire and water. It causes all metabolism process in the body. It is from digestion of food and other transformation. Number 3. Kapha. The elements of Kapha are water and earth. It is the energy of cohesion and lubrication. It holds the body together. Number 3. Movable and fixed planets. Some planets are considered as movable and some planets are considered as fixed. This is useful in predictive astrology. Sun is considered as fixed, Moon is considered as movable, Mars is considered as movable, Mercury is considered as dual, that is movable and fixed. Jupiter is considered as fixed. Venus is considered as movable. Saturn is considered as fixed. Number 4. Numbers ruled by planets. Sun rules number 1. Moon rules number 2. Mars rules number 9. Mercury rules number 5. Jupiter rules number 3. Venus rules number 6. Saturn rules number 8. Rahu rules number 4. And Ketu rules number 7. You have to memorize these numbers ruled by planets. This is useful for numerology, which includes prediction too, finding one's lucky or favorable numbers and unfavorable numbers, analyzing lottery or coupon numbers. Mundani astrology can also be practiced from the help of numerology. For example, 2020. You have to add all digits. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 4, which is ruled by Rahu. It means that the ruler of 2020 is Rahu. Likewise, you can calculate for coming years too. These rules can be applied for individual too. Number 5. Days ruled by planets. Sun rules Sunday, Moon rules Monday, Mars rules Tuesday, Mercury rules Wednesday, Jupiter rules Thursday, Venus rules Friday, and Saturn rules Saturday. Rahu and Ketu is excluded because they do not have any physical existence. Number 6. Colors represented by planets. Sun represents orange, saffron or light red. Moon represents white. Mars represents deep red. Mercury represents green. Jupiter represents yellow. Venus represents white. Saturn represents black and blue. Rahu represents black and blue. Ketu represents brown and black like smoke. You have to memorize these colors represented by the planets. This is used for identifying one's lucky colors, unlucky colors, favorable and unfavorable colors. We have to avoid unlucky colors, especially while buying the vehicles or painting the house. It will be best decision to wear lucky color dress while attending the job interviews. Number 7. Stones or gems ruled by planets. Sun rules ruby or marik, Moon rules white pearl or sapet moti, Mars rules red coral or munga, Mercury rules emerald or panna, Jupiter rules yellow sapphire or pukhraj, Venus rules diamond or hira, Saturn rules blue sapphire or nilam, Rahu rules gomeda, Ketu rules cat's eyes or lawsonia. You have to memorize these stones or gems ruled by the planets. This is used for identifying one's lucky gems, favorable and unfavorable stones or gems. You have to skip the unfavorable gems or stones. Gems or stones should be worn only after analyzing the birth chart properly. Metal or dhatu ruled by planets. Sun rules gold or Swarna, Moon rules silver or Rajat or Chandi, Mars rules copper or Tamba, Mercury rules bronze or Kangsha or Pital, Jupiter rules gold or Swarna, Venus rules silver or Rajat or Chandi, Saturn rules iron or Loha, Rahu rules mixed metals, Mishrit Dhatu, and Ketu also rules mixed metals, Mishrit Dhatu. You have to memorize these metal or dhatus ruled by the planets. This is used for identifying one's lucky metal, favorable and unfavorable metals. For example, if you are going to start a new business associated with iron, then Saturns should be taken into consideration. If Saturn is well placed in your birth chart, then you can proceed your business. Number 8. Tests ruled by planets. Sun rules pungent taste, that is onion, ginger, pepper. Moon rules saline taste, that is sea salt, rock salt. Mars rules bitter taste, that is Kerala or bitter melon, dandelion root, neem leaves, etc. Mercury rules mixed taste. Jupiter rules sweetness, that is sugar. Venus rules sour taste, that is lemon. Saturn rules astringent taste, that is plantain and pomegranate. The second house shows one preference in food. The planets influencing it may decide one's favorite taste. In addition, one should avoid the tastes of the planet who are likely bring diseases. Thank you for watching our video. We will cover another new topics in our next upcoming session. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.